We did much better today, being patient and just waiting for like a perfect setup. I also even decreased my position size. The last few days we've been trading 5 micro nasdaq future contracts at a time. Today I brought that down to 3, so I had an entry with 3, waited for the confirmation that the trade was working out, which allowed me to not worry about when it started to go into the red. I was okay with it. I was okay with having a wider stop because it was only 3 contracts. And had it hit my stop, it would have been a clear indication that the trade was not working out. That allowed me to ride out the red part of the trade and then enter another 3 contracts when the trade was clearly moving in my favor. That secured us our daily profit goal with just 1 trade. It was relatively quick. It was painless, barely, like, no emotional like drain or mentality aspect of it. It was not like the previous few days. Decided to just call it there because I hit my goal. There's no point in risking that to make a little more. Also, on another note, in my quest to remove my dependency on Tradingview, because I've had Tradingview still pulled up on a second monitor just to keep an eye on point and control because I don't have access to point and control on NinjaTrader, I did end up signing up for Tradingview. This is not like an ad for them or anything, just letting you guys know if you guys were in the same boat as me. I've been wanting to sign up for Tradingview for a while now. I didn't have a reason to, but doing some research yesterday, it's just a good platform all around. Lots of customization, has a browser. It's in the browser, which I like. And as you can see here, I was able to set up a 5-minute NASDAQ and a 5-minute ES and add volume, point and control, and VWAP to keep an eye over here. I think all in it's like $21 a month to have access to this because you got to sign up for like, I think you have to sign up for the base. Yeah, you have to sign up for the base like plan just to be able to have like multiple charts open, and then you need like a $3 plan added for data, for live data. My indicators I'm using, you can see up here. Session volume profile HD, that's the point and control and the volume histogram. And then I'm using VWAP auto anchored. This is not the VWAP that you will see in today's trading session. I realized that VWAP was not matching the VWAP on my NinjaTrader, but I found this after I was done trading. So this is the better one that matches NinjaTrader. And then if you want to see the setups for them, here is the first one, the session volume profile HD settings. So you can just pause and copy these if you want. And then for VWAP, this also has the bands that I do use on my range chart. I have them turned off because I don't really need them on my 5-minute chart. But you can see here you have upper lower bands up to standard 3 deviation. So 1, 2, and 3. And then these are just copied on both charts. So enjoy today's video. Hopefully it's a lesson that patience pays and waiting for A+ setups is even better. I most likely will not be trading tomorrow, excepting delivery of a new vehicle in the morning, and then we also have like the Fed hike rates tomorrow. So in the morning it's going to be sketchy, in the afternoon it's going to be crazy. If you guys dare to trade that, Godspeed, good luck. Let me know if you do trade it, or if you're planning on trade it, what your plan is, and let me know in a comment on some video how you did, because I'm interested. Have a good one. Coming down and testing point and control. ES broke through point of control. Just getting into 3 micros at the moment, but really feels like we continue down. On Tradingview, ES broke through VWAP, but not on NinjaTrader. I'm not sure why that's like that. Get into 3 more if we break past 70. Yes is ready to tank. Testing point of control now on NASDAQ. Kind of sitting at the bottom of this little range we have going on right here. Bunch of support. We did break through it obviously, but got bought out pretty quickly. So I think if we break down through again, may go test VWAP. Maybe we should have taken however many points this was down here. About 20 points. It's pretty respectable. But we were going for more. Yes, getting slapped back down beneath point of control. See if we can get the same movement on NASDAQ. There we go. I think if we get into the 70s, we may break this previous low. At the very least, go touch 60, possibly 50. 75, we're gonna add 3 micros. We need ES to break through this low as well. All right, we're in 3. They're trying to break through. It's looking pretty strong, but making new lows on Delta. Just barely getting new lows, about 10 points. And we keep going. I think 40 is kind of realistic, but I'm just gonna take it. We're past our goal of wanting to make at least 200, and we're touching VWAP, so we'll probably get a bounce back. This could continue to rotate down, but getting out right at VWAP is a good decision, I believe. Plus being up over 200 on that one trade. So last few days we ended like okay. The problem is we went through hell to get to that. Today we make 1 trade, adding to we lowered our entry position size to just 3, so it's not a big deal to take a little bit of heat on that, and then we add 3 to a winning trade, Had I been using 5 micros at a time, yes, this would have been a larger trade. However, I would have had to take a little more heat, and who knows what I would have done emotionally, mentally. You know, lowering it to 3, it's like I was willing to wait for it to at least get to 820, which at that point, clearly the trade's not working out, but it wouldn't have been that big of a deal because it was just 3 micros. This is what everybody means when they say to reduce your position size if you're struggling with fear and struggling with the emotions going through a trade. So I lowered my position size to 3 micros, got in, waited to make sure it was working out, waited for the, it went down, tested a low, came up, tested a high, got in when it was working out, and then got out for pretty good profit. I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to end it there. I don't want to risk going plus 250, minus 600, back to 0, all of that stress, and just, yeah, I don't want to deal with that. So hope you guys all did good out there if you're trading. If not, keep your head up. You can see I've had plenty of rough days, and we just keep coming back and trying. So see you guys later.